Welcome to my channel, where we will explore the journey of one of the most important agricultural products in the world, the onion. Onions are not only an indispensable ingredient in many dishes, but also one of the agricultural products that greatly contribute to the global economy. More than 93 million tons of onions are harvested each year worldwide, providing not only economic but also nutritional and cultural value. From the vast onion fields, where crops are carefully tended, to the processing plants where modern technology is integrated, each onion carries a story of the farmer's efforts and the progress of the agricultural industry. Join us in following this entire journey, from planting onions, caring for them, harvesting them, to processing them and bringing the products to the global market. First, the soil needs to be deeply tilled to increase drainage and provide space for roots to grow. The most suitable soil for growing onions is usually light loam or sandy soil with a pH of 6.0 to 7.5. Before sowing, nutrient-rich organic fertilizer or chemical fertilizer is mixed evenly into the soil to ensure adequate nutrient supply for the plants. Modern seed drills are indispensable tools on large-scale farms. With a yield of up to 20 to 30 acres per day, the machine is capable of sowing millions of seeds with precise spacing of 10 to 15 centimeters between plants. This ensures even distribution, helping the onion plant grow strongly. In the U.S., by 2024, the onion cultivation area will reach about 135,000 acres, spread across major producing states such as California, Texas, Washington, and Oregon. These are areas with ideal climatic conditions for onions to grow with high productivity. In the early stages, onions need to be watered regularly, but not too much to avoid waterlogging. Modern drip irrigation systems help control the amount of water optimally, ensuring soil moisture without causing waste. Caring for onion plants is an important stage to ensure productivity and quality. This is the time when onion plants need to be provided with enough water, nutrients, and protection from harmful factors, especially aphids and fungi, which can cause serious damage if not controlled promptly. With proper care techniques, after 90 to 150 days, onions can be harvested. Let's discover how farmers harvest onions in large fields using both manual methods and modern machinery. On large farms in the U.S., modern onion harvesters are widely used to improve efficiency. These machines are equipped with digging blades to lift onions out of the ground and remove excess soil and roots. The onions are transferred onto a conveyor belt, where cleaning systems such as rotating brushes and compressed air remove dirt before the onions are collected into large containers. Thanks to modern technology, a harvester can process up to 10 to 15 tons of onions per day, helping to save labor and significantly reduce harvesting time. Harvesting is the most important stage in the onion production cycle, determining the quality and commercial value of the product. Onions are usually harvested when the leaves turn yellow, begin to dry, and the onion has reached its optimal size. In 2024, onion production in the U.S. is estimated to reach about 3.5 million tons. With a cultivated area of 135,000 acres, the United States continues to hold its position as one of the largest onion-producing countries in the world. On some small farms or areas where machinery cannot be used, onion harvesting is still done manually. Workers will use sharp knives to cut onion stalks and put onions in boxes. This job requires patience and dexterity to ensure the natural protective layer of the onion is not damaged. In 2024, more than 25,000 workers will be hired to support harvesting on onion farms in the U.S. The average salary for seasonal workers in this industry is about $15 to $18 per hour. Thanks to the smooth coordination between people and machines, onions are harvested quickly, ensuring freshness and quality before being transported to the processing factory. Next, we'll explore the onion processing process, from cleaning to sorting to packaging, to better understand how these onions are prepared for the global market. Immediately after the onions are transported to the factory, the onions will go through cleaning, sorting, and processing steps before being packaged and distributed to the market. In the United States, processing plants process more than 2 million tons of onions each year, with a large portion exported to international markets such as Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. Next, let's explore how the factory processes sliced onions. During the classification stage, modern technology with optical sensors and artificial intelligence is applied to ensure the products meet the highest standards. The scanner automatically sorts onions by size, shape, and color, eliminating defective or poor quality onions. Once sorted, the automatic line uses precision blades to cut onions into uniform slices. The packaging process is fully automated to ensure uniformity and hygiene. Fresh onions are packaged, then stored in cold storage to maintain freshness before being distributed to the market. In 2024, onions bring in more than $2 billion in revenue from the export market, making an important contribution to the total economic value of the U.S. agricultural industry. With growing demand in the international market, American onions are increasingly asserting their position thanks to high-quality, modern production technology and sustainable supply. Onion production in America is not only a story about agriculture, but also a lesson about how people and technology create value together. From diligent farmers to scientists and engineers developing technology, everyone joins hands to bring high-quality products that meet the consumer needs of millions of families around the world. Thank you for accompanying us on our journey to discover one of the most interesting agricultural production industries, the onion industry. If you find this video useful, please click like, subscribe to the channel, and share to spread this story to more people. See you in the next videos where we will continue to explore the wonders of the agricultural world. And now, after discovering the journey of onions from the field to the global market, let us continue with another valuable crop loved around the world for its rich nutrition and creamy texture, the avocado. Welcome to today's video, where we will explore the wonderful journey of avocado, the fruit known as green gold on the dinner table. From vast avocado gardens in fertile lands, through careful harvesting and modern processing, each avocado carries with it the story of the farmer's efforts and support from advanced technology. Join us on a journey to discover how avocados are grown, harvested, and processed into familiar products such as guacamole, avocado oil, and other foods. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss interesting videos about modern agriculture. To create quality avocados, the growing process begins with careful soil and seedling preparation. Before sending seedlings to the field, avocado seeds are propagated in nurseries using the bud grafting method. This method not only ensures strong growth, but also helps young plants adapt better to the environment. Avocado farms often choose areas with tropical or subtropical climates, where there is abundant sunlight and nutrient-rich soil. The ideal soil type is soil with a pH of 5.5 to 7, well-drained and improved with compost or manure. Planting avocado trees is usually done in the dry season, from March to May, so that young trees can easily adapt to the new environment. Seedlings are planted at a distance of 7 to 10 meters, enough so that they receive enough light and have space to grow. An indispensable step is to set up a drip irrigation system, which helps provide water to the plants regularly without causing waterlogging. The first stage of an avocado tree, from 2 to 3 years, requires careful care, including nitrogen-rich fertilizer and weed control, to help the tree grow strongly. The process of growing avocados not only requires an understanding of the crop, but also requires modern technology to optimize yield and quality. Next, let's learn how farmers care for avocado trees throughout the growing process. Caring for an avocado tree is a complex process and requires attention to detail to ensure the tree grows healthy and produces high yields. Water is the most important factor. Modern drip irrigation systems help plants receive the amount of water they need without wasting it. During the first 2 years, maintaining stable humidity is very important because this is the time when the tree's root system is developing strongly. Pruning is an important step to maintain balanced tree growth. Workers often remove weak, dry, or diseased branches, allowing the tree to focus its energy on growing healthy parts. In addition, pruning creates open space, helps light and air circulate better, reduces the risk of pests, and increases fruit yield. Common pests in avocado trees include root rot caused by Phytophthora fungus and leaf-eating caterpillars. Regular inspection and timely application of preventive measures are very important. Farmers spraying pesticides is indispensable in protecting avocado trees. With a combination of traditional techniques and modern technology, avocado trees can begin to flower and bear fruit after about 3 years from planting. Next, let's learn how to harvest avocados, a process that requires the farmer's care and skill. Popular avocado varieties grown include Hass, Bacon, and Fuerte, each with its own characteristics in terms of flavor and yield. A mature avocado tree can produce from 100 to 500 fruits per year, depending on care conditions and tree variety. Harvesting avocados is an art that requires precision and care. Unlike many other fruits, avocados do not ripen completely on the tree, but gradually ripen after being harvested. Most avocado farms still use manual harvesting methods, ensuring each avocado is handled gently to avoid being crushed. Workers use sharp scissors or knives to cut the avocado, keeping part of the stem to avoid damage and prolong storage time. Tall avocado trees often require a ladder or lift to reach the upper branches. Each season, large farms in the U.S. can hire from 50 to 200 seasonal workers, mainly immigrant workers, to assist with harvesting. Every day, a harvesting team can process 2 to 3 tons of avocados. The average salary of an avocado harvester is $15 to $20 per hour. Next, let's go to the processing factory to discover how avocados are cleaned, sorted, and processed into diverse products. To maintain the best quality, butter is transported in specialized containers and cooled immediately upon arrival at the factory. The rapid cooling system helps reduce the surface temperature of the butter, keeping it fresh. The avocados will then be graded manually or automatically based on size, color, and quality. Fruits that do not meet standards will be discarded or used for other products, such as avocado oil or animal feed. After being sorted, they will be packed into plastic trays or mesh bags. The system automatically labels detailed information such as origin, weight, and packaging date before the avocados enter cold storage. These fresh avocado products will be quickly shipped to supermarkets and stores worldwide. With its high nutritional value and growing popularity, avocados have become one of the most important agricultural commodities in the world. In the U.S. domestic market, avocados are widely distributed from farmers' markets to large supermarkets such as Walmart, Costco, and Whole Foods. American consumers consume more than 2.6 billion pounds of avocados each year, making them one of the most popular fruits. This shows the indispensable role of avocado in modern dishes such as salads, toasts, and traditional guacamole. From family meals to high-end restaurants, avocados have become a symbol of a healthy and modern lifestyle. Not only is it a nutritious food, avocado also appears in the cosmetics and healthcare industries with avocado oil products, skincare masks, and more. Let's thank the farmers and producers who bring us this wonderful fruit. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss interesting stories about the agricultural world.